Due to continuous rainfall and hill runoff in Feni, flood control embankments along the Muhuri, Kohua and Chhagalnaiya rivers have collapsed at 21 points, submerging over 100 villages. New areas continue to be inundated as 11 breaches have occurred in the Muhuri river, 6 in the Kohua and 4 in the Chhagalnaiya, including 12 points in Porshuram and 9 in Fulgaji. Although rainfall lessened from noon on July 9, powerful currents of water are still entering different villages in Chhagalnaiya Upazila through the bridged embankments. Already more than 10 villages including Matiagodha, South Shator, North Panua, Kashipur, Nichinta and Lakshmipur have gone underwater. Water is flowing into Chhagalnaiya from the bridge points in Porshuram and Fulgaji, submerging roads and halting transportation. According to the Feni District Administration, 6,826 people have taken shelter in 49 relief centers located in parts of Porshuram, Fulgaji, Chhagalnaiya and Feni Shodor Upazilas. The UNO of Chhagalnaiya stated that 8 shelters have been prepared in the Upazila. The Meteorological Department reported 58 millimeters of rainfall in the past 24 hours. The executive engineer of the Water Development Board said that although river water is currently below the danger level, new areas are flooding through breaches. It has been reported that 1.75 million taka in relief funds has been allocated for the flood-affected areas across 6 upazilas. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.